channel, Ivan Cooking Adventures. Today we're gonna cook some Thai food. So Thai food is actually a food that you get to mix many different ingredients in order to have a flavorful food. So what we're gonna do today is some beef stir fry. So in order to do this recipe, we're gonna use the following ingredients. We're gonna actually have some soy sauce, some sesame seed oil, we're gonna have some fish sauce, we're gonna have chili paste, we're gonna add a little bit of garlic and ginger, honey for a little bit of sweetness, salt and pepper for taste, and for the veggies we'll have bok choy. We're gonna add some green onions there. We're gonna actually have some sweet peppers and baby corn. At the end, we're gonna spread a little bit of a line on top for more flavor. Okay, in order to season the beef, just add the 2-part soy sauce and add the fish sauce. Go gentle with the fish sauce because fish sauce is actually very strong ingredient. So they made this by fermenting fish in water for many months and then bottling into bottles and sell it for people to do culinary, cooking. So this is a very strong ingredient, so you don't want it to overcome your recipe with using a lot of this. So you have to be gentle with this. Then add the chili paste, garlic, and ginger. Mix it well, put it together, combine all of these flavors, and set aside. Add a little bit of pepper, and salt for more flavor. Followed by julienne the red peppers. Just cut it in half, clean the seeds, and julienne this way. Continue by cutting the green onions. Just clean the tip, which had some roots, and then cut the green onions if you want diagonally. This way. You can cut it anyway. I like to cut it diagonally so I could have a nice presentation on my plate. So we have some nice colors there. We have some greens and we have some purple. So this is gonna be a nice colorful recipe. Finally, get some bok choy leaf and just pick them up like that. Make sure that they are all clean inside because sometimes they have like kind of dirt in there on the leaf, you see. So you have to watch that. You don't want it to have that in your food. Look, this is gonna fruit there, so we're gonna have to throw that away. We don't wanna use that one. So in this, we need to clean all that. I just got bok choy in big pieces because the bok choy tends to actually shrink in size when it's actually cooking. Because bok choy is mostly watery vegetable. You see, it's full of water. Now get your wok and then put it on a medium high and let it be hot. So once the wok is hot, just add a little bit of sesame seed oil and stir fry the meat. So now that all the water has evaporated from the meat, so you add a little bit of honey to sweeten all the meat there and to give some color to the meat. Still fry it a little bit more. You can smell all that flavor, all that combination of flavors there. Then you let her stir fry for another 5 minutes so they can actually change color. Brown a little bit more. So now that the meat has changed color this way, just transfer it to a bowl and clean the wok with just hot water. So now we're just gonna cook the vegetables because in order to have a nice stir fry, you need to cook all the ingredients separately. You cook the meat first and then you cook the vegetables separately. Then you put it together. So now you add a little bit of sesame seed oil again on the pan. Let it be hot. You're gonna start by throwing the baby corn. Then get all of the other ingredients there on the wok. Then fry them until they are a little bit tender and all cooked. Stir it constantly. Stir fry is about not let things burn by cooking the ingredients in a fast way in order for they to stay still fresh and at the same time cook. See? The smell is incredible. You can smell the green onions coming out, the sweet peppers burning a little bit. Unbelievable flavor. You don't need to add any season here because once you add the meat that was already cooked with all of the ingredients there, that's gonna season and give flavor to all of these vegetables. So now that we have stir fried this vegetable for the last 5 minutes or so, we're gonna throw in the meat. Just throw it in there, throw all the goodness there, and then mix it well. Combine all of these ingredients together in the wok, just like that. Everything's done. Just transfer it to a plate. And squeeze a little bit of lime on top. And a little bit of sesame seeds for additional flavor. And there you have it, a nice Thai beef stir fry from Island Cooking Adventures. If you like to see more of our recipes, just subscribe to our channel and enjoy.